We're with the CD-520. We have a 25-foot hose and a 15-foot hose, coiled up on purpose so you can see the material being conveyed. We have your aluminum chips, which won't be a problem moving. And then we have all of your larger pieces. Ryan's going to drop them in, starting with the smallest ones and going larger and larger while we're vacuuming up the aluminum. So let's go. And watch the hose. You'll see the material conveying through the hose. And I'm just introducing this ever so slightly because these are going to be little pieces as Ryan's doing the same thing. Those will be just coming in little strands at a time, not just gulping huge piles. You'll see we have plenty of performance. Inside of this material are some of your nuts. You'll see that those are all conveying. As we get larger, you'll see them travel in the hose, making it all the way back to the hose. The longer the pieces, the slower they're going to move in there. That's why we talked about putting a separation system as close to the nozzle with the longest pieces. You'll notice inside of my hose, I'm starting to suck up some of these pieces too. And we purposely left the hose. You'll see the materials that fall out are the long ones. That's why there'll be a separator right next to that nozzle. That's been a review of all these pieces.